A beautiful morning, my dear students. This is again your science teacher Kavita Singh, and I welcome you in my science class. Students, as you know that the lesson number 7, conservation of plants and animals, is going on. And so today we will continue this lesson, and in this lesson, in last video, we have already discussed about the biosphere reserve named as Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. So today we will continue this topic. Students, I want to tell you one amazing effect that the Panchmari is also known as the Queen of Satpura. Queen of Satpura. Okay, I am repeating. The Panchmari is also known as the Queen of Satpura. Okay, so students, today's topic is flora and fauna. So what do you mean by the flora? Flora, as it is predict from their name, flora, that's flower. Okay, the plants found in a particular area is known as the flora. Okay, how will you learn it? Flora connect with the flower, and flowers always arises on the trees or plants. So the plants found in a particular area is known as the flora, and fauna, the animals found in a particular area, is known as the fauna. I am repeating, students. The animals found in a particular area is known as the fauna. So now I am going to tell you about the flora of fauna of the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Okay, students, the flora of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve are sal, mango, teak, jamun, wild mango, silver fern, etc. And the fauna of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve are chinkara, blue bull, deer, barasinga, rhinos, etc. So students, I want to tell you one thing, that in this video, it is not possible to show all the figures of flora and fauna of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve and the pictures of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. So today I will also send a video in which you can see the pictures of flora and fauna of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve and other things. Okay. So please you also watch that video also. Students, the next topic of today's class is species. What do you mean by the species? Okay, I am going to tell you. Species is a group of population which are capable to breeding or interbreeding. Clear? So what is the mean by these lines? This means that the members of a species that can reproduce or fertile with the same kind of the species, not other kind of the species. This is known as the species of animals and plants. Students, now I am going to tell you about the types of the species of according to your syllabus. There are 3 types of the species. First is extinct species, second is endangered species, and third is endemic species. Okay. So students, first we will discuss extinct species. Extinct species is the species of animals and plant which do not exist on the earth. Okay. So the animals, I am telling you the name, these are not present on the earth. First is western West African black rhinos. Second, white dolphin. Dinosaurs is the well-known dodo bird, passenger pigeon, Tasmanian tigers, and great oak. Great oak is a type of bird. Okay, so students, how they finished? ठीक है, मन में क्वेश्चन आता है कि खत्म कैसे हो गए. So I am going to tell you about it. Students, some of natural activities and some are finished by the human activity, such as hunting and poaching. Okay. Second is endangered species. What do you mean by the endangered species? Endangered species is the species of animals and plants which are present on the earth. That means they exist on the earth, but they are very near to the extinction. Okay, they are very near to the extinction. I am going to tell you the name of this kind of species. Your rhinos, turtle, tiger, and giant panda. They all are the animals which are near to extinction. That means they all are the endangered species. Okay. So last one is endemic species. Endemic species are these species of animals and plants which are found only in a particular area. Okay. That means they are not available at everywhere. They are present on a particular area. So I am going to tell you about this kind of the animals. First is purple frog. It is present in the, where it is present? Yes, it is present in Western Ghats. Okay. Next is Sangai. Sangai, yes. Last time I told you about the Sangai deer. It is present in Loktak Lake. Okay. Third is Asiatic lion. It is present only in the Gir forest. Okay, students. And the last one is, can you tell me the name of other these type of the animals which are present? Yes, penguins. Okay, penguins are only present in the Antarctica. It is not present everywhere also. So these kinds of the animals are in endemic species. Okay, students. So today now I am going to tell you about some other biosphere reserve. I think, do you know, do you think only that Panchamani Biosphere Reserve is only one of the biosphere reserves present in India? No, my dear students, there are a lot of biosphere reserve in India. So I am telling you some of them. Name. First is Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. Do you know, students, where it is present? Yes, it is present in Uttarakhand. It established in 1982. And students, do you know that it is a home, natural home of many kinds of the birds, animals and vegetation, and very beautiful place. Okay. The second biosphere reserve is Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. So where it is present? It is present in between the last point of India, that means Tamil Nadu, and starting point of the Sri Lanka. When we go to the Sri Lanka from India, that it will be the first point of the Sri Lanka. So why it is famous, students? Do you know that it is very beautiful and having a very clear water? The water is so much clear, students, that you can see the marine animals insidely and vegetation very clearly. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो अपसाइड से कि कौन से plants and animals वहां पर present है. ठीक है. So in the future you have to visit these places one time. ठीक है. The next is Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. Okay, students, this is a conservating area for the Bengal tigers. It is well known because the tigers numbers in India is decreasing day by day. So the government launched the project Tiger for conservation of Bengal tigers. Okay, students, the last one is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. So where it is present, student? It is present in the South India. Okay, Nilgiri, and it is located in the foothills. It is located in the foothills of the named Nilgiri Hills. Do you know, students? It is a natural home of about 352 varieties of animals and birds and trees. There are 350 species of birds are available and 39 species of fishes are available and 316. Can you imagine that? There are 316 species of butterflies are present. Okay, students. So, one time in the future you have to visit it. So, students, I will show all the images of Biosphere Reserve, extinct, endangered and endemic animals and flora and fauna of Panchmani Biosphere Reserve in second video. So watch that video also, students, very carefully. So rest of the topics we will discuss in our next class. Till then, have a nice day. Bye-bye.